Hello world, hi, once again back to my channel and welcome back to my other content. In this content I'm going to share with you how to improve your English, speaking English with real life example. So don't waste your time and don't skip my any kind of portion because every portion is too much special about this learning speaking English. So this is time for you and this is the best time for let's start. Number one is start with daily conversation. You must have start your daily conversation like what to do speak in English every day, even if it's simple sentence. Example like instead of I'm fine, say I'm doing it today. How about you? I'm doing it today. How about you? Or start with two or three sentences daily and gradually increase. So don't start just one sentence. You must have starts two or three sentences. That's very effective for your improve your English speaking skill. So number two is I'm busy. You must have skip this kind of words. You must have say I am a little busy right now. I am a little busy right now. Another word is I'm tired. I feel tired after a long time. I feel tired after a long time. And another is I'm happy. I feel I feel really happy today. I feel really happy today. I feel really happy today. And I'm learning English. I'm learning English to improve my communication skill. I'm learning English to improve my communication skill. You can say this kind of words. And this too much effective. Don't speak short, speak better because you wants to better speaker. There is no one can need short speaker because if you one can do this kind of short English, you must have to say speak better. Step two is sentence expansion for your sound fluent like I go to school. You can say I go to school every morning. You can say I go to school every morning and I study English. You can say I study English every day to improve my English speaking. I studying English every day to improve my speaking. I like coffee. I like drinking coffee in the morning. I watch videos. I watch videos to learn new words. I watch videos, English videos to learn new words. At time, reason of feelings. Add your time and reason of feelings. You can say this kind of word. Daily life speaking sentences like practice sentences. I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. I brush my teeth and I get ready for the day. Brush my teeth and get ready for the day. I have breakfast before going to school or college, or I have breakfast before going to my office, school or college, or my business. You can say anyone who is trucks will do right now. And I attend my classes or I attend my offices and take notes carefully. In the evening, I practice English speaking. In the evening, I practice English speaking. So speak English using your daily life. That's very helpful for your English, for your improving English communication journey. And question answer: how are you? I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. How are you? I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. What are you doing now? What are you doing? I'm practicing my English speaking English. What are you doing now? I'm practicing my English speaking English. Where are you going? I'm going to the market right now. I'm going to the market right now. You can say this kind of expansion sentences. Why are you learning English? Because English helps me communicate confidently. Because English helps me communicate confidently. And number four step is confidence building sentences like I'm not afraid of making mistake. I'm not afraid of making mistake. I'm improving my English step by step. I speak slowly and clearly. I speak English slowly but clearly. Every day my English is getting better. Every day my English is getting better, and I believe I can speak English fluently. I believe I can speak English fluently. Practice for motivation on this. Step 6 is real life situation is speaking. Can you please tell me the price? Can you please tell me the price? Can you please tell me the price? This sentence you will use for a tea shop. Can you please tell me The price, I'm looking for something affordable. I'm looking for something affordable. Thank you, I will check this one. Thank you, I will check this one. At a restaurant, may I see the menu please? May I see the menu please? You must have no, may not, can. May I see this menu please? I would like to order some food. I would like to order some food. And this food was delicious. Thank you. This food was delicious. Thank you. Self-introduce practice like hello everyone. Who are you? You can say hello everyone or hello, hi everyone. My name is Shil. I'm from Dhaka, Bangladesh. uh, I'm a student and I'm learning English. Or you can say I'm a content creator and I'm creating content for my dear lovely audience and viewers. I want to improve my speaking English. That's why this is also called my practice session with learning. And nice to meet you. See you very soon with another content. You can say this kind of words like get for beginner shots. Think in English, daily thoughts like I'm speaking. I'm walking to school right now. I'm walking to school right now. I need to finish my work today. I need to finish my work today. I'm feeling hungry. I should eat something. I will practice English again tonight. I will practice English again tonight. And short speaking practice for 30 seconds right now. Today I practice English speaking. I learn new sentences and try to speak confidently. I know I will improve if I practice every day. So thank you everyone for watching my this kind of content. I can't follow my this content because time is too short. Next time I connect with you with very effective content. And see you very soon with another content. This is time for bye.